Welcome to this tutorial on how to use DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating and managing a MongoDB cluster on DigitalOcean. First, you need to create a DigitalOcean account if you don't have one already. Once you have an account, log in to the DigitalOcean dashboard and click on the Marketplace tab. Search for MongoDB and click on the Manage MongoDB option. Next, click on the Create a MongoDB cluster button and choose the cluster configuration that suits your needs. You can choose the number of nodes, the instance size, and the region where your cluster will be located. After creating your cluster, you need to connect to it. To do this, click on the Connect to your cluster button and follow the instructions. You can connect to your cluster using the MongoDB shell, a MongoDB driver, or a GUI client like MongoDB Compass. Once you are connected to your cluster, you can start creating databases and collections. A database is a container that holds a set of collections, and a collection is a group of documents. You can create a database and collection using the MongoDB shell or a MongoDB driver. To create a database, use the use command followed by the name of the database. To create a collection, use the db create collection command followed by the name of the collection. DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB provides a number of features to help you manage your cluster, including automatic backups, alerting, and monitoring. You can access these features from the DigitalOcean dashboard. Best practices for using DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB include regularly backing up your data, monitoring your cluster performance, and securing your cluster with a firewall and authentication. In conclusion, DigitalOcean Managed MongoDB is a powerful tool for managing MongoDB clusters in the cloud. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create and manage a MongoDB cluster on DigitalOcean and start building scalable and secure applications.